Swardstrom with the Swardstrom Group and co-listing agent Yuming Zhang.
嗨，大家好，我是张月明，欢迎来到由托尔兄弟建造的 Hidden Canyon 小区104 Panorama。
So here we are at the highest street in Hidden Canyon at 104 Panorama, over 5,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, and spectacular upgrades.
Hidden Canyon is one of the most prestigious communities in all of Orange County. It's 24/7 guard gated, and we're at the top, as Rachel said, on a 14,000-foot lot with amazing views. We're also in the University High School District. We're near world-class dining, shopping, and entertainment, and we're only 6 miles to the beach.
Enjoy the tour.